Good morning, good morning. We're about to start this morning off right with a avocado smoothie. I've already pre-mixed a lot of the ingredients. This is the cocoa milk and the pineapple. We're going to use one of the old frozen bananas that we had from previously. That's why I say never waste food. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, now I'm going to mix the coconut milk and the pineapple. We have a cup or 8 ounces of spinach, which is frozen, so we're going to have to grind this up a little bit to make some more room. Oh, what else do we need? As we can see, get that pushed down so we can actually get the coconut milk to come up so we can get this blended to grind. So what you're going to do, since you don't quite have the coconut milk and you want to still keep the calories low, I'm just going to add a little almond milk for lubrication. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think I should have used my bigger one. I think this one's gonna be close to full. And we still have to put the avocado in. Crack it right on open. Gonna remove the peel. Real nice. we're gonna keep the seed. You know what I'm gonna do with that? Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna have to move this over to my bigger blender. I don't think this one's gonna take it all. So let me go get that blender and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're back in business. I had to go get the big boy for this one. Didn't realize this was gonna make that much. We need to get 2 teaspoons, not tablespoons, but teaspoons of honey, preferably organic. Really doesn't matter to me. Honey's honey. And we're going to add 2 scoops of vanilla protein. Now, most people are protein deficient, which means they do not get enough protein in their diet. These 2 scoops will give you nice little dose, little protein in your life. And that's what you call NutriBullet on steroids. Oh yeah, look. Now look how creamy that is. Oh, that's gonna be good. So we're gonna sit and we're gonna blend it for a few moments, maybe another 30 seconds, make sure it gets to the consistency I want. On medium. This is about to go down. Look how thick it's almost like drinking a milkshake. See how thick it is? Oh, that is such pure goodness. Oh, look at that. I only have one word for this. Absolutely delicious. This is, oh my goodness, this is almost a diabetic's dream. It's so smooth and creamy, and my tongue is having a fit right now. You can taste the avocado and a tint of that honey with that coconut milk hit the back of your palate. Oh, Jesus Christ, this is good. Woo! I taste a little bit of the protein mix. That is actually delicious. It's amazing how you can make stuff that's not only healthy, but delicious. Takes a little extra time. Of course, I had to upgrade to the bigger NutriBullet. I thought I was going to be able to squeeze everything into the tiny one, and apparently I couldn't. So I had to bring down the big boy. This is absolutely, look at this. Oh my gosh. This is almost like drinking, I don't know if anybody ever had a Frosty. This is almost like an avocado Frosty. Oh, this is gonna be gone. This is definitely gonna be gone today. So I'm gonna leave the descriptions in the recipe in the description. It's fairly easy to make. and follow. Just make sure you may need to get a bigger NutriBullet or blender because you see the little teeny one couldn't take it. This is absolutely breathtaking. Okay, healthy living.